Here is the continuation of the bidet. This is how it looks installed. Very nice. There's a side. You can control it here. You have switch to the left. That's the female section. Switch to the right for regular. Kind of have controls right here. You have the temperature. The button, the first button is for the temperature of the seat. The one in the back is for the water temperature. So installing it was pretty simple. My installation was a little bit different based on the booklet. I had to disconnect and then connect with the hose provided into our water line. Well, first I turn off the water. I recommend you turn off the water, then connect your hose, and then turn the water back on. I have a bug here because it did leak a little bit when I connected the new hose. And then it is electric, so make sure you have an outlet. And that's basically it. We've used it a couple times. When you are installing it, there is a little tape in there, so make sure that comes off. And we have tried it a couple times, and I'm going to remove this, but I want to show you that pretty cool. That has seating senses when you're sitting. Yeah, that's another sticker I'm going to take off. So follow the manual. The manual is very helpful, but honestly it was very simple. I did have to take off my old toilet seat cover, which is pretty simple. Twist off the bolts, put this on. This underneath here has a bracket. You just right, one right there. And that's, just a bracket on that side. So you gotta screw it in here, install the bracket, and then this helps you just slide in the duvet, and that's it. It's good to go. The bidet, and that is basically it. We really enjoyed it so far. It's gonna save us on toilet paper. And thank you again to the brand for gifting us this bidet. And this is how it looks once it's fully installed. We love it. Used it a couple times today, and we're very happy with it. One more thing. You did get a kind of control. We're still deciding whether to mount it here or against the wall, but batteries are included. You got eco mode, child wash, night light. So that's the night light right there. Power wash, air drying. Just push the middle button, give it some time. Maybe it senses no one's there, but that's basically, you just choose a setting and then you just hit the middle. It's good to go. Washing, you can adjust the washing pressure and the washing position to your liking. So really cool. And then here's the bracket. You just come with screws and little stickers to help place the bracket and before you screw it. So really cool bidet. Highly recommend this.